Stop leaving easy money on the table. You are looking at the biggest financial opportunity since the internet boom, and it's called AI. I'm not talking about complex coding or investing millions. I'm talking about 5 simple side hustles that use free tools like ChatGPT to automate your income in 2026. Every single one of these can pull in an extra $1,000 per month or more with $0 in startup costs. If you have a laptop and can type a sentence, you are ready. This isn't theoretical. I will show you exactly how to set up each one and where the money actually comes from. Ready to make the machine work for you? Let's dive in. Welcome back to HasPlan, your hub for making smart money moves. Today, we're cutting through the noise. We are skipping the low-pay surveys and the complicated trading schemes. These 5 hustles are proven, high demand, and perfectly suited for the AI era. Let's start with number 1, which is arguably the easiest way to make your first $1,000 online. Side hustle number 1, the Ultimate Resource Kit Creator. In 2026, people pay for convenience. Think about realtors, small business owners, or college students. They need quick checklists, guides, or templates. The hack is use ChatGPT to generate the core content for a hyper-specific niche. For example, give it the prompt, generate a 10-point checklist for first-time home buyers in California. You take that text, quickly design it into a clean, professional PDF using a free tool like Canva, and sell it on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad for $5 to $10 each. These are 100% passive income after the initial setup. The key is volume and niche specificity. Side hustle number 2, local business content automation. Small businesses, the local dentist, the mechanic, the family restaurant, they need content for their websites and social media, but they hate writing it. This is where you step in. You offer a 30-day social media content package to local businesses for $200 to $400 each. You use ChatGPT to write 30 engaging posts, complete with relevant hashtags tailored to their business type. You can fulfill a single client's entire month of content in about 2 hours. Find 2 or 3 clients, and you've easily hit your $1,000 target. Where to find them? Start by looking at local businesses on Google Maps that haven't posted in weeks. Side hustle number 3, YouTube short script writer. Short-form video is the king of content, but professional creators struggle to pump out the volume needed. They need punchy 30-second scripts. You specialize in a niche like finance or motivation. You take a popular video idea and ask ChatGPT to convert the core points into a dramatic, fast-paced script perfect for a 45-second YouTube short. Prompt example: write a high-retention 45-second YouTube short script about why 401k matching is free money. Go to freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr and target creators who are already uploading multiple times a week. Scripts sell for $10 to $25 each. This is scalable and high demand. Side hustle number 4, specific email outreach expert. This is a B2B hustle. Companies need to hire new staff, find sales leads, or secure partnerships. They need emails that actually get a response. The hack? Use ChatGPT's ability to analyze specific job descriptions or sales targets and generate a highly personalized cold email sequence. You are selling personalization at scale. The money? Charge small businesses a flat fee of $500 to $800 for a 5-email outreach sequence. Your value is in using AI to make their outreach seem human and highly effective, something they can't do manually. Side hustle number 5, the niched ebook publisher. Low-content books or very specific nonfiction guides are still massive on Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. The hack is ask ChatGPT to generate the table of contents and the core chapter outlines for a very specific guide, like a beginner's guide to day trading options on Robinhood. Then use AI to generate the bulk of the content. Now you're a self-published author with minimal writing effort. Upload the book to Amazon KDP, and while your initial sales may be low, an effective launch can bring in a steady $100 to $300 passive income stream every month, covering your rent or utilities. So, there you have it. 5 proven, zero-investment AI side hustles ready for 2026. This is the new financial reality. The people who know how to prompt the machine are the ones who are going to get paid. Which one are you going to start today? Let me know in the comments below. If this video gave you a single new idea for making money, please hit that like button and subscribe to HasPlan for more actionable finance and business hacks.